everyone, welcome back to my channel Tricks for Maths. I hope you have watched all of my videos regarding Vedic mathematical tricks and techniques in my channel. From this video onwards, I am going to focus on grade-wise mathematical content. From this video, I am starting grade 3, then we will move to 4, 5, 6 and so on. I am referring NCERT textbook to take the outcomes for this. So let us learn one by one concept from this video. Stay tuned to the channel. Hello children. The first chapter is shapes. In Kannada, Akritigalu. We are learning more about shapes today. In shapes, we gonna learn 2D shapes, 3D shapes, how to draw it, and what are the examples for those shapes that you can see in your daily life, as well as curved lines, straight lines, and also we are learning about tangram and maps. So there are lot of things to learn. So let us not wait. We'll start with curved lines and straight lines. So what are those? Let me put 2 points on the screen. 1, 2 and let me name it. A, point B. And I'm going to take 2 more points, that is C and D. How we are going to join these 2 points, A and B? Yes, one way is joining like this, right? And these 2 points in another way, I am following like this. I have joined both the points. Now you can tell me which one is straight line and which one is curved line. Correct. AB is a straight line, CD is a curved line. Correct. As you know, we can use these type of lines to form different shapes. I hope you all already know about few shapes, right? Can you name it for me? Yes, very good. Square, rectangle, triangle, oval, circle, star shape, heart shape. Yes, you know many shapes, right? In today's topic, we are going to learn about 4 basic shapes and examples too. And also how to draw it. Let us move to that. See here kids, I have drawn one shape. Can you see the lines here? Yes, these are very good straight lines. Let me name this A, B, C, D. And we will name it as ABCD square. Right. This shape is square. Can you repeat with me? Square. ABCD square. And how many straight lines we have used here? Let me count. AB, this is one straight line, right? 1, 2, this is BC, 2, 3 and 4. So, there are 4 straight lines we have used to draw this square. So, we call each straight line as sides. Repeat after me. Sides. Let me write side. Okay. So, how many sides are here? 4, right? So, a square has 4 sides. How many? 4 sides. And we have taken or we have considered points, right? How many points are here? 1. This is A, B, that means point B, point C and point D. We call it as corners. Repeat after me. Corners. So how many corners does a square has? Correct. 4. So let me write number of corners 4. Yes. So we can say a square has 4 sides and 4 corners. And how will you draw the square? Let me draw it for you. One line and the second line of same length. Kindly note it. All 4 sides must be of same length. One line, 2 line, 3 of same length I am drawing and 4. See children, to draw this you can use the ruler or you can go for freehand also. Once you practice, you can draw it freehand, but it should be of equal length. So how will you draw the square? 4 lines, straight lines, which is closed. You should get a closed figure, right? Can I draw like this? 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it a square? No, because it is not a closed figure, right? See, this is a square. This is not a square. Is this a square? No, because all 4 sides are not equal. That means, what is a square? A closed figure which is having 4 equal sides is called a square. We can say 4 sides and 4 corners, right? So, where and all you see square shaped objects in your home? Can you name anything? Have you ever seen any square shaped objects in your home? I can show you a chess board. See, I have a chess board which is of square shape, right? 1, I am just counting the side. 1, 2, 3 and 4. How many sides children? 4 sides. How many corners? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yes, this is in square shape. And this magnetic board which is in square shape. Can you see? Yes, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And also I am bringing here a lid of a plastic box. I can see this is also in a square shape. Can you go and find these kind of materials in your home? You can take your mama's help. I hope you have understood about the shape square. Let me draw the second shape what we are going to learn today. That is, can you name this? Yes, it is a rectangle. What is this children? It is a rectangle. Let me name this. E, F, G, H. So now can you see we have used straight line itself to form this shape. And there are 4 points we have taken to join the or to create the line, right? So we can say there are 1, that is EF is a straight line, 1, 2, 3 and 4. We have used 4 straight lines to construct this figure. Is it an open figure? No, this is also a closed figure, right? And which is having 4 sides. But is it a square? No. Slight change is there. What is that? See, these two lines are long and these two lines are short. Let me say once again. EFHG. See, you are observing these two lines. The top one and the bottom one. These two are long, right? And these two are short. So, the closed figure which is having opposite sides. These are opposite to each other and these two are opposite to each other. Two sets of opposite sides are equal. That figure is called rectangle. Can we write the number of corners and number of sides? Repeat after me. Number of sides in a rectangle is 4, as well as number of corners, EFGH, right? Number of corners are 4. But in rectangle, opposite sides are equal to each other. It is also a closed figure, right? Can I draw like this? 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it a rectangle? No. Yes. Now how you are going to draw? Tell me. 2 longer sides I am taking in this way. Okay. And 2 shorter sides in opposite direction. These 2 short lines and these 2 long lines, which is a closed figure, and here it is a rectangle. Can you give any example? That means the objects what you can see which is in rectangular shape. Here I have few objects. See children, it is an ID card. In which shape it is? Yes, it is in rectangular shape. See, short side, long side and long side, which are opposite to each other, right? So it is in rectangular shape. And I have one magnetic material which is in rectangular shape. Can you see this book? In which shape it is? Yes, short side, long. Yes, it is in rectangular shape. As well as this wooden piece is also in rectangular shape. So this time also you have to search few rectangular shaped objects in your home. Let us move to the next shape. I am drawing here for you. Which shape is this? Any guess? Yes, it is a triangle. A, B, C. It is a ABC triangle. And how many lines can you see here? Yes, AB, BC and CA, right? 1, 2 and 3. So, we call it as sides, right? So, a triangle has how many sides, children? Is it 4? No. The word only says that tri means 3. Triangle. Okay. So, sides are 3. And how many corners? Correct. It is A, B and C. So, corners, number of corners, 3. Yes. Can you draw triangle? 1, 2, 3. It is also a closed figure. Yes, children. So, we can say that a closed figure which is having 3 sides as well as 3 corners is called a triangle. But did I say all the sides must be equal? No, it need not to be. If I can draw like this, it is also a triangle. We have different kinds in triangle that we will learn in the coming class. Okay. So, a triangle can be of any length. That means the sides must be of any length. but it must be a closed figure. Can you suggest any example? That means objects what we can find in our surroundings, which must be in triangular shape. Here I have you seen this? Ruler. Yes, you can see in your compass box, right? It is also in triangular shape. Side 1, 2 and 3, right? A closed figure. And here I have a cutout which is in triangular shape. And here I have a magnetic material which is in triangular shape. I hope you have seen even chips also, right? Which is in this shape. Can you see this hanger is in triangular shape? Yeah, I can ignore this part. See, the shape is in triangle, right children? So like this, you can point out many things in your surrounding. Let me take you through one of the last basic shapes, that is, what is this? Yes, is it a chapati or a pizza? It is a circular shape, right? We call it as circle. What is this, children? Circle, right? But have I used any straight line to draw this? No, we have used curved line, right? If I start from here, I'll go like this and I will end like this, right? From one single point, I have started the line and I joined it to the same. I have drawn one circle here. Yes? And can you say number of sides for this? No, there are no sides. How many sides are there for circle? 0, right? And how many corners? No corner is there, right? So, number of corners for a circle is also 0, right? So, we can say that circle has no corners and no sides. But it must be a closed figure. Can I draw like this? Is it a circle? No. This is circle. And it's very easy to draw the circle, right? Yes, will you try? Good. And now you have to mention some of the objects which are in circular shape. What are those? Go search. Here I have few objects. See, I have a cutout of circular shape. And I have a small plate here. It is in also circular shape. And lid of a bottle. This is in circular shape. And also a magnetic material which is in circular shape, right? Like this, you can name many things. Children, we have learnt about 4 different shapes: square, rectangle, triangle and circle. Many more shapes are there. Even in 4 sides. See here, we have one shape with 4 sides, but does it look like a rectangle or a square? No, but it has different name, as well as this one. And is it a circle? No, it is also having different name that we will learn later. But today we are concentrating on 4 basic shapes, right? We have learned the name of the shapes, how to draw it, and also sides and corners, examples for those shapes. I hope you have understood the concept. If you have any doubt regarding the shapes, you can put it in the comment box. In the next video, I will be come up with 3D shapes, its characteristics and how to draw 3D shapes. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.